This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable baking cups, specifically these aluminum baking cups with lids. All of these come with their own lids, and you can see they're nice little domed lids, which is a really fantastic feature since it allows you to put on toppings and frostings and do some fun with decorations without interfering with it. There's the option between circles or rounds and squares, and you can see for the square we have a 3-ounce square in gold here, and there's a lot of variety when it comes to the circle options. For the 2-ounce size we have gold, a fun festive cow lines print, and silver. For the 3-ounce we have the cow lines and the gold. For the 4-ounce, we have gold, a great silver with a gold interior, and black. And in the 5-ounce, we have a nice coffee brown and the gold as well. These are a fantastic option since you can bake, decorate, and serve all in the same container. The domed lids leave room for decorations and toppings, and there's this really fantastic range of size and color options, and then you also have your choices between circles and squares, meaning there's kind of endless opportunities to pick that perfect little container for whatever your task is. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees, making them fantastic for a variety of different baking needs, and they're also safe to use in the freezer. Since you don't need any special pans, this allows you to really bake a variety of different shapes and sizes with ease and at less cost, since you don't need to buy all those special different muffin tins. Cleanup is a breeze since they're disposable, and they're just really great for baking a variety of things like muffins, brownies, cupcakes, things like coffee cakes, for doing little layered desserts like tiramisus, or even doing things like packing up fun little pre-packaged sundaes, since they can be popped in the freezer. So these are great for bakeries and pastry shops, but also things like ice cream shops as well. You can also use them at home to bake a variety of different treats for your friends and family.